Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. And phone link is a high CPU using. Okay. So first right click to go to taskbar and find out to phone link and right click to end task. Click to end task. Okay. Second, click to start. Go to setting. Click to app. Startup app. Turn off mobile link to yes. Then again come to back, install app. Okay, search phone link. Click to 3 tab, advanced. Scroll down. First click to reset. This is completed. After that, click to repair. Then click to repair. Okay, then close. The next method. Then guys, click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator. Right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So when you enter some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.